Hey, let me show you a quick unboxing and overview of the Redmi Watch 5 Lite. So first of all, on the box we can find some information about the base specification, and as you can see right here we can find the AMOLED display. We got the built-in GNSS, which is actually basically the GPS. We get the dual microphone for the noise reduction, so we can make phone calls with this one and answer to the phone calls. We've got up to 18 days of the battery life, we've got 5 ATM water resistance, over 200 watch faces, over 150 workout modes, and we've got also the heart rate, SpO2 and the stress monitoring. So right now let's open it and let's find out what you can find inside, what accessories are actually what comes with this device. So it looks like that we have cable right here. Here we can find the user manual, and yes, right here we can find the cable, which is located right here, and it looks just like this. This is the classic charger for smart watches and smartbands on the Xiaomi devices. And that's all. There's like no charging brick inside. So now let's take a look how the device looks. So it actually comes with the silicone strap. It feels almost the same like with the Apple Watch Series 10. We get button on the right side. Take a look right here. I believe that this is the speaker, and I'm just looking for a microphone, but I cannot find it, but maybe this is the microphone. And now when we take it off, that's how the screen looks with bezels all around. Now let's try to turn it on, but this button actually works quite strange. Okay, right now when I just click on it for a few times, it actually clicks as the other default one, but it was actually working strange at first. It actually comes with the HyperOS. Now when we're gonna take it off, like this, there we go. As you can see right here, we can find sensor, and here we got the first setup screen. So this is it for this video. Thanks for watching.